Imagine trying to connect multiple devices to your laptop, but finding that you're constantly running out of ports. This is a common struggle for many users today. In this video, we're diving into a comparison of 5 top-rated USB-C docking stations that can transform your workspace and streamline your daily routines. Stay tuned, as our #1 pick offers an impressive combination of performance and versatility that you won't want to miss. Don't forget to subscribe for more great tech insights. And remember, links in the description for current prices. Anker USB-C Hub. The Anker USB-C Hub stands out as a reliable and compact solution for those who need to expand their laptop's connectivity options without taking up too much space. This hub is particularly great for students and professionals who are often on the go. It features multiple USB ports, including USB-A and USB-C, allowing you to connect various devices like flash drives, mice, and keyboards seamlessly. One of its core strengths is the plug-and-play capability, which means you won't have to deal with complex software installations. However, while it delivers impressive performance for its size, the lack of HDMI support may be a drawback for users looking to connect to external displays. UGREEN USB-C Docking Station Dual Monitor. The UGREEN USB-C Docking Station Dual Monitor is designed for multitaskers who require the ability to connect 2 external displays simultaneously. This feature is essential for professionals who need to enhance productivity by extending their screen real estate. The docking station supports 4K resolution on both monitors, providing crystal-clear visuals for everything from spreadsheets to creative work. It's ideal for designers and content creators who demand high-quality display outputs. Plus, the myriad of ports, including HDMI, USB 3.0, and Ethernet, makes it a versatile choice. However, users may find the setup process a bit cumbersome initially, but the performance is worth the effort. Anker Laptop Docking Station. The Anker Laptop Docking Station is a powerhouse that caters to those who demand high functionality from their devices. This docking station shines with its extensive array of ports, including multiple USB-A, HDMI, and Ethernet connections, making it suitable for both home office environments and professional settings. Gamers and video editors will appreciate its fast data transfer speeds and ability to connect to multiple peripherals without lag. One standout feature is its ability to deliver power to your laptop through USB-C, while simultaneously allowing for peripheral connections. However, some users have reported that it can run hot during extensive use, so it's best to ensure proper ventilation. Dell WD19S 180 watts docking station USB-C. The Dell WD19S 180 watts docking station USB-C is a robust option tailored for Dell laptop users, but is also compatible with other brands. Ideal for professionals who need reliable power delivery and extensive connectivity, this dock features a powerful 180 watts power adapter, ensuring your laptop remains charged during heavy usage. You'll appreciate the variety of ports, including USB-C, USB-A, HDMI, DisplayPort, and even a dedicated audio output. This dock is perfect for those who often connect to external monitors or need stable internet access via Ethernet. However, users should note that the dock is relatively bulky, which may not suit everyone's desk setup. CalDigit TS4 18-port Thunderbolt 4 dock. Topping our list is the CalDigit TS4 18-port Thunderbolt 4 dock, the ultimate hub for serious power users. This docking station is equipped with a whopping 18 ports, including Thunderbolt 4, USB-A, HDMI, and SD card slots, offering unparalleled flexibility for all your devices. It's perfect for creative professionals who require fast data transfers and multiple display outputs. The dock supports dual 4K displays or a single 8K display, making it a go-to choice for video editors and graphic designers. One of its key strengths is the comprehensive power delivery, charging your laptop while connected to various peripherals. The only potential drawback is its higher price point, but for the features and performance, it's a worthwhile investment. Thanks for joining us as we explored the top 5 USB-C docking stations of 2026. Each of these options brings its unique strengths to the table, making them ideal for different users and setups. Whether you need something compact for travel or a powerhouse for your workstation, there's a perfect choice for you. Don't forget to check the links for the best prices on these amazing products, and if you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tech reviews.